Forget everything you thought you knew about the Apple TV. If you have been waiting to upgrade your smart home setup, stop whatever you are doing and listen to this very carefully. For years, Apple has been quietly sitting in the background while Amazon and Google completely took over our living rooms. We all know the current Apple TV is a great streaming box, but let us be brutally honest for a second. It is overpriced, it is overpowered for just watching Netflix, and Siri is still painfully behind the competition. But that era is officially over. Massive new supply chain leaks and hidden code deep inside the iOS 18.6 developer betas have just exposed Apple's master plan for 2026. And it is not just a minor spec bump. Apple is launching an all-out assault on the smart home industry with two entirely new device categories that are going to make your current setup look like an antique. We are talking about a two-tiered strategy that industry insiders are unofficially calling the Apple TV Pro and the Apple TV Ultra. One is a ridiculously cheap Trojan horse designed to take over your living room. The other is a futuristic sci-fi command center that might actually feature a robotic arm. I'm going to break down every single leak feature, the exact pricing strategy Apple is trying to hide, and why you need to hold on to your cash right now. Because by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how Apple plans to trap you inside their new ecosystem and why you will probably thank them for it. The Trojan horse. Apple TV Pro 2026. Let us start with a device that is going to end up in millions of homes by the end of 2026. For the sake of clarity, we are calling this the Apple TV Pro, which is the massive upgrade to the traditional 4K set-top box. Right now, the 2022 Apple TV 4K is running on an A15 Bionic chip. It is fast, but in the age of artificial intelligence, it is practically a dinosaur. The 2026 model is about to cross a massive hardware threshold. Multiple supply chain analysts have confirmed that Apple is dropping in a true desktop-class powerhouse, either the A17 Pro or the brand-new A18 chip. But why would a streaming box need the exact same processor that runs blockbuster video games on the iPhone 15 Pro? The answer is Apple Intelligence. Apple is completely overhauling tvOS with tvOS 27, and they're bringing a massive, large language model version of Siri directly to your television. To run Apple Intelligence on device without any lag, Apple has a strict requirement: 8 gigabytes of RAM. The current Apple TV only has 4 gigabytes. The 2026 model is doubling that memory, instantly transforming your TV from a dumb screen into a hyper-intelligent assistant. Imagine sitting on your couch and saying, "Show me that movie from the 90s where the guy is trapped in a computer simulation, but only show me the parts where they are fighting." The new Siri will not just search the web. It will deeply understand context, scan across all your streaming apps simultaneously, and pull up exactly what you want in milliseconds. No more clunky menus. No more typing on that tiny digital keyboard. But Apple is not stopping at software. They are fixing the hardware annoyances that have driven us crazy for years. Precision finding. The 2026 Siri remote is finally getting the U2 ultra-wideband chip. This means it will work exactly like an AirTag. When your kids lose the remote inside the couch cushions, you can just pull out your iPhone and an arrow will point you directly to it with down-to-the-inch accuracy. Next-gen connectivity. Leaks also confirm the inclusion of Apple's custom in-one networking chip, bringing Wi-Fi 7 to the Apple TV for the very first time. If you stream massive 4K files or use game streaming services, Wi-Fi 7 opens up the 6 GHz band. That means zero buffering, zero lag, and a perfectly stable connection even if your house is full of wireless devices. Thread and Matter integration. It will act as the ultimate border router, seamlessly talking to every smart light, lock, and sensor in your house instantly. Now, here is the craziest part about the Apple TV Pro: the price. Historically, Apple products carry a massive premium, but reliable analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo are reporting that Apple wants to price this new entry-level box under $100. Yes, you heard that right. A sub-$100 Apple device with an A-Series Pro chip and Apple Intelligence. They are willing to take a loss on hardware just to get this hub into your living room. But before you decide to buy one, you need to hear about the second device. Because if the Apple TV Pro is the bait, the Apple TV Ultra is the trap. The command center, Apple TV Ultra, the HomePad, while the traditional Apple TV hides in your media cabinet, the Apple TV Ultra is designed to be the centerpiece of your entire home. Internally at Apple, this project has been dubbed the HomePad, but it is effectively the ultimate smart display and home hub hybrid. For years, Amazon Echo Shows and Google Nest Hubs have dominated the kitchen counter. Apple's response to this is bordering on absolute insanity. According to physical prototypes seen by industry leakers, the Apple TV Ultra features a roughly 7-inch, perfectly square display. But it does not just sit flat on a desk. Apple has designed a hemispherical base that looks incredibly similar to the iconic iMac G4 from the early 2000s. The screen is mounted on this base at an angle, and here's where things get straight out of a science fiction movie. Early rumors strongly suggest this base contains a motorized robotic arm. Imagine you're cooking in the kitchen, walking from the sink to the stove. You're on a FaceTime call with your family, or you are watching a recipe video. The Apple TV Ultra uses a massive ultra-wide front-facing camera and Apple Intelligence to lock onto your physical position in the room. As you walk around, the screen physically rotates and tilts to follow you. You never have to adjust it. But this camera is not just for tracking your face. It is constantly monitoring the room for gesture controls. Your hands are covered in flour? Just wave your hand in the air to pause the video or swipe to the right in thin air to skip a song. The device knows who is in the room. If you walk past it, the screen dynamically updates to show your specific calendar, your reminders, and your preferred music playlists. If your partner walks past it 5 minutes later, the interface completely changes to match their profile. And Apple is taking this a step further with physical integration. Wall mounting. Leaks indicate this device is designed to be magnetically snapped directly to your wall, acting as a permanent, high-end intercom and smart home control panel. Ultimate security hub. It completely integrates with a new line of rumored Apple smart cameras. If someone rings your smart doorbell, the video feed instantly overrides whatever is on the screen, letting you unlock the front door with a single tap. HomeOS. This device will not run iPadOS. It is running a completely new, lightweight operating system called HomeOS, designed purely for glanceable information, instant widget access, and controlling your entire house with zero friction. Apple's ultimate goal here is ecosystem lock-in. By putting a hyper-intelligent display in your kitchen and a massively powerful streaming box in your living room, they create an invisible web across your entire house. The Apple TV Pro handles the heavy lifting for entertainment and gaming, while the Apple TV Ultra acts as the brain for your daily life. They communicate with each other instantly. You can start a podcast on your kitchen display, walk into the living room, and seamlessly push the audio to your TV sound system without pressing a single button. The ultimate choice for 2026. So, what should you do right now? If you are currently holding an older Apple TV, or you are tired of your Amazon Echo constantly showing you unwanted advertisements on its screen, do not buy anything right now. The smart home market is stagnant today, but 2026 is going to completely reset the board. When September 2026 rolls around, you will have a serious choice to make. If you just want the absolute best movie watching, game playing, and living room command center, the $100 Apple TV Pro is going to be the biggest steal in tech history. It is affordable, it is future-proofed with 8 GB of RAM and Wi-Fi 7, and the new Siri remote will save your sanity when it gets lost. But if you want to feel like you're living in the year 2050, and you want a centralized brain for your house that literally turns its head to look at you when you speak, the Apple TV Ultra Smart Display is going to be the ultimate flex. It will undoubtedly cost a premium, likely starting around $300 to $400, but it will fundamentally change how you interact with your house. Apple is finally waking up. They missed the first wave of the smart home revolution, but they are absolutely determined to dominate the second one. The real question is, are you ready to let Apple Intelligence run your entire house?